Hi guys, I was gifted these silicone tie wraps so you can organize any cables that you need to organize. Comes in a neat little plastic container here. It does come in 4 different colors. We got black, white, green, and pink. So they're kind of neat. They're all like a rubber band kind of. And I got a cable here, so if we wanted to tie this one up, keep it neat, you're just gonna wrap up your cord and then put the tie around it and fasten it right like this. And that's all there is to it. So if you guys are in the market for some rubber cable ties like this, go ahead and get them. Thanks.